How to back up contacts in Gmail on Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with some methods to back up or save contacts to Google. So you can just go and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So it's super easy. We just need to go ahead and turn on the automatic sync. Open up the settings application for that and look out for the option called Google. So scroll down, find Google and tap on it. And once we tap on it, we can look out for the option called settings for Google application or all services. And here, look out for Google Contact Sync. So scroll down and here tap on Google Contact Sync. It should be under backup and restore. And once you've tapped on it, you can just go over and turn on the sync here and select the Gmail account where you want to save the contacts, and that will be saved. Apart from that, what we can do is we can move the existing phone contacts to Google as well. So open up the contacts application and look out for the settings option. So go to the menu option in the top left and select the gear icon in the top right from the menu, and that should pop up. So here we can just go over and turn on the option or select the option for move device contacts, something like that, and we can just go over and turn on that option if that option is available, and we can back it up on Google. And that's it. Those are probably some of the way you can follow up. Alternatively, you can just go over and look out for the Google backup option as well. But usually this is how you should be able to do it on your Android device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.